Someone is trying to sell you a miracle in a plastic cup, and they are using the face of a doctor you trust to do it. This is the reality of the weight loss market right now. We are looking at a massive operation called Gelatine Sculpt, and it is a textbook example of how modern scammers operate. They use the word bariatric to hook you. That is a word associated with intense medical procedures and weight loss surgery. By slapping that label on a simple snack, they are trying to steal the credibility of the entire medical profession. They want you to think this is a clinical-grade intervention that you can just eat like dessert. It is a bold, dangerous lie. When you see those viral ads, you are seeing a high-tech illusion. The voices you hear are generated by computers. They take real news anchors and famous physicians and make them say whatever the scammers want. They claim this jelly was discovered at a world-famous university. They claim it is the secret that big pharmaceutical companies are trying to hide. None of it is true. There is no secret lab. There is no hidden research. There is only a warehouse full of cheap ingredients and a team of people who know how to manipulate social media algorithms. People who have fallen for this are reporting a consistent pattern of frustration. They receive a product that tastes like watered-down gelatin. It has no effect on their weight and no impact on their hunger. But the real sting comes a few days later when they see their bank statements. These companies are masters of the hidden subscription. You think you are paying a small amount for a trial run. In reality, you are being enrolled in a recurring payment plan that can cost hundreds of dollars every single month. They make the cancellation process a total nightmare. The phone numbers do not work. The emails go unanswered. They want to bleed your account dry before you even realize what happened. On their sales pages, they show a perfect rating. It is a total fiction. There is no way for a real customer to leave a review on those sites. They are just static images designed to build unearned trust. If you go to their social media pages, you will see a graveyard of deleted comments. They have bots that scan for words like scam or fake and delete them instantly. It is a perfectly curated wall of lies. This is a high-risk operation that relies on your desire for a quick fix. They use fake urgency with those flashing countdown timers to stop you from doing your research. They want you to feel like you are missing out on a once-in-a-lifetime deal. Do not give in to that pressure. A legitimate medical product does not need a ticking clock to sell itself. If a jelly cup actually provided the same results as a prescription medication, it would be the headline of every legitimate newspaper in the world. It would not be hiding on a shady one-page website. You have to protect your money and your health from these predatory tactics. These people are looking for a way to exploit your hopes and your hard work. They do not care about your weight loss journey. They only care about your credit card number. Always be skeptical of anything that sounds too easy. Real progress takes time and effort. There are no shortcuts hidden in a cup of overpriced gelatin. Stay sharp and stay informed because these scams are getting more convincing every single day. They will change the name of the product next week and start the whole cycle over again. Do not let them catch you off guard. Your health is worth more than a marketing trick. Be smart, stay safe, and always double-check the facts before you buy.